In a world where global payments are becoming the norm, having access to an international bank account number, or IBAN, is essential. Whether you want to create IBAN, get IBAN, or simply understand how to use it for cross-border transactions, this guide walks you through everything you need. What is an IBAN? IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. It helps identify bank accounts across borders, making international transfers faster and error-free. So, your IBAN usually contains your country code, bank code, and of course, your account number. Alright, let's talk about how to create an online bank account and get your IBAN in just a minute. These days, several digital banking platforms actually allow users to open bank accounts online and get an IBAN number instantly. Here's how you can do it. First, choose a trusted online bank. Platforms like Wise, Revolut, and N26 offer super easy onboarding for international users. So, to complete your KYC, just upload your ID and address proof for a quick verification process. Once you're verified, you'll get your account number and IBAN instantly. So you're all set to receive and send international payments right away. Now you might be wondering, how do you find your IBAN? If you already have a bank account, you can find your IBAN on your online banking dashboard or even on your bank statement. Alternatively, you can use an IBAN calculator provided by your bank or, online services like IBAN.com to generate or verify an IBAN. IBAN calculator, it's honestly a pretty handy tool. Using an IBAN calculator is honestly the safest way to make sure your IBAN is valid before you go ahead with any international transfer. It really does minimize the risk of failed transactions because of, incorrect account details. Some of the IBAN calculator links are given in the description box, so you can check them out there. So, final thoughts. Creating an online bank account and getting your IBAN number is now faster and easier than ever before. Whether you're a digital nomad, freelancer, or a business owner, having a valid IBAN honestly helps you receive payments globally with zero hassle. Make sure to use only reliable platforms, verify your information, and always double-check using an IBAN calculator to ensure smooth transactions every single time.